children, welcome to our reading class. Children, hope you're keeping well. So before I start my lesson, children, we'll just do a simple meditation, okay? Just take a deep breath in and out and relax. Okay, let's do it once. Thank you. So children, today we have a reading lesson. In this reading lesson, to read this book, we had been doing a lot of activities. Last week, on 3rd of August, we did seasons. If you remember, we did 4 seasons. There are 4 seasons and we did it in a different way. So children, seasons. See, seasons. So there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. And these seasons are divided into different months. Like spring falls in, when does it fall? March, April, May. And summer falls in June, July, August. Autumn falls in September, October and November. And winter falls in December, January and February. So now children, I'm sure you're able to read all the words that we have learned. And on 17th of August, let's recapitulate what we have learned. On 17th of August, we have learned the weather symbols and the weather words. What is the weather like? Children, can we do a small activity? You just run out, look through your window. What is the weather like today? Okay, can we do that? Okay, hurry up, run. Hey, okay, come back children now. You just write in your notebook when you do your assignment, what is the weather like for today? Okay, now here we come children. We are going to read a book, Weather. This book talks about the 4 seasons of the year. We have already done the seasons, the months and the weather. So I'm sure it will be very easy for you to read the book this time. So children, when we read, I'm going to invite Madam Lara, our English teacher, a resource person, to take us through a reading class. And when she reads a book, children, you have to listen carefully and put your finger on the words when she reads. Like here, Losar comes in February. School reopens in February. It is still cold, but winter is coming to an end. The days are getting longer, the sun shines, and the peach tree have flowers on them. So when we read, when she reads, I'm going to send you the book, okay? So put your finger when you read. And at the end of the lesson, what you have to do is, your assignment will be, you should be able to read this book independently and look at the new words and try to read those words with the correct pronunciation. Yes, when you read, then be clear, use proper intonation. And at the end, after doing everything, you should be able to read it to your parents now. Don't get help. But if you get stuck, get help from the person next to you, is sitting next to you. Or you can even call me. I'm always there for you to help. Okay? Children, so enjoy reading and do your work. And okay, children, now for Monday, on Monday's lesson, I'm going to send you the worksheet. There will be a few questions given. You just have to answer them after reading your book. And this time, I want you to do it yourself. Read the book. Try to comprehend, okay? Read it. Look for the words. Of course, you can get help from your parents. But how about this time if you try yourself? Good luck, children. See you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hello children. Our reader is called the weather. It's all about the weather. What can you see in the picture? Can you see the months of the year and also the seasons? How many seasons are there? Can you see 4? And can you see the pictures of the different weather for each season? Now, before we read the story, we're going to learn a few words to help us. Do you know this word? Can you see the picture? What are they doing? They're planting rice. Where are they planting the rice? In the paddy. Paddy. We call this a rice paddy. 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 Can you say the word? Next, do you know this word? What is the picture? Can you see the bananas? First they are green, then they turn yellow, then they turn brown. When can you eat the bananas? That's right, when they're yellow. They are ripe. Ripe. We can eat the bananas or any fruit when it is ripe. Ripe. Can you say the word ripe? Next, do you know this word? Can you see the picture? There are mountains. Now in between the mountains there is a river and there is some grass and trees. Now in between the mountains we call this the valley. 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 Timpu is in a valley. Valley. Can you say the word? Do you know this word? Can you see the shop sign? It says shop reopening soon. To open, you know this word? Open. Reopen just means to open again. Re at the start of the word means again. Reopen. Reopen. The shop is reopening soon. Now let's read the reader together. Listen carefully and follow along. Lossa comes in February. School reopens in February too. It is still cold, but winter is coming to an end. The days are getting longer. The sun shines and the peach trees have flowers on them. Some rain comes in spring. The trees grow new leaves. Plants come up and begin to flower. Cows eat the new green grass where the ground is wet. In April, it gets warmer. In the mornings, it is sunny, but in the afternoons, we get strong winds and there is lots of dust in the valleys. It is the time to plant potatoes and maize. In the south of Bhutan, we get a lot of thunder and lightning. Lightning looks very beautiful at night, but sometimes it hits tall trees. Do not stand under a tree when there is thunder and lightning. Do not stand in an open field. Lightning can kill, and it goes for the tallest thing it can find. Sometimes hail comes with the thunder. Hail is very bad for the farmer. It breaks the young maize plants. Big hailstones can break windows and kill animals. By June, it is summer. It is almost time for schools to have their mid-term holidays. The days are long and hot. It is time to plant rice. Farmers move their cows up from the south. The yaks go up to the new grass in the high mountains. The rains come in the summer. Sometimes the rain does not stop for many days. There are clouds on the hills and the rivers are full of water. Everything becomes green. The rice and maize grow quickly. Peaches and mangoes are ripe. Why does it rain in summer? There is a big sea south of India. In summer, the hot sun makes it warm. Wet air goes up from the sea and becomes clouds. The south wind sends the clouds north to Bhutan. When the clouds come to the mountains, they go up, become colder, and the water in them falls. This is rain. All summer, the wind comes from the south, and the rain comes to Bhutan. In September, the days become shorter and the nights colder. The wind from the south and the rain stop. The rice turns yellow and there are red apples on the trees. Summer is coming to an end. Blessed rainy day marks the end of summer. In October, it is sunny again. It is autumn. It is time to cut the paddy and pick big oranges. In the south, it is time for Diwali. In the north of Bhutan, it is sunny in the day, but cold at night. The mountains become brown again. We cut the paddy. In some places, we go to the Dzong for Chechu. Everyone is very happy. By November, the mountains are cold and sometimes there is snow. There is no more grass and the yaks come down into the valleys. Leaves fall from the trees and we need fires in our houses. In December, snow falls in the valley. The mountains, the fields, and the houses are all white. It is cold outside, but inside the houses everyone is warm and happy. Because it is cold, schools shut down for the winter holidays. Now, we'd like you to try the worksheet. See if you can order the pictures in the right order, according to what you heard in the story for each season. Lastly, which season do you like best? My favorite season is what? Because something. Please finish this sentence to write about your favorite season. Okay, that's all for now. Goodbye.